whole milk.
Well, hello there. Welcome once more to Conchoice Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I'd like to say a very warm welcome to you. So now I know you can see who's doing the cooking today. Yes. So join my husband in the kitchen, Chef K, as he makes French toast, one of his favorite things to make. Actually, this is like the very first thing he ever made for me when we were going out many years ago, and he nailed it. And up to date, if I ever want to make French toast, I ask him if he's willing to make it, or if he has the chance, I'd rather have him make it than I make it, and it's always good. So yesterday I got home from work. I worked
One,
overnight,
two, three,
and
four,
so on
five,
Mother's Day
six.
morning, I came home and he was getting his stuff ready to make me a breakfast, which I should say he always does. Like even before I became a mom,
Okay.
he always made me a Mother's Day breakfast. So yeah, thank you, honey. And so I was like, maybe we can make a video. You never know who will learn from it. This is very simple, easy, and maybe somebody can pick something out of this. So I decided to help him video this for me. I hope you enjoyed this, and kindly give him a thumbs up at the end of this. I'm just gonna let him do his thing. I'll just put his ingredient list in the description box after this video. I hope you enjoy watching this, and like I said, please give him a thumbs up.
Okay, so stone. Yeah, how's Daddy doing? Good? Yeah. Keep mixing it. So now let's get butter.
So my husband has it in his head that he is a chef. Like every time he gets in the kitchen, it's like it has to be a big deal. I'm surprised he didn't come today with his apron, because if you're my Facebook friend, you know that already. He will put on his apron. Yeah. And stand in the kitchen and throw something down, and when he finishes, he will serve you, behaving like
See
he's
what
a
I'm gonna
real
do?
chef. He really enjoys those few
Are you
moments.
looking?
So I think he did well
Go on the
today,
back, put the
and
box on the
hopefully,
bread.
guys, you can pick something from it. I had actually wanted to make a French toast video, hopefully with him. I was still gonna make him be the one making it anyway. So hopefully that would be an inspiration to some of you to make that for Mother's Day. So we couldn't do that, but
Cinnamon French
since
toast.
he still went ahead and made something for me yesterday, I hope this is something that will be a motivation for you guys to make another Mother's Day. Pancake might be
Remove the bread
difficult
for
to
me.
make, but French toast is so simple, it's so quick, and we ladies, we appreciate any little thing, like any little
Just for
thing. I
2 minutes, right?
appreciate
Looks like.
a breakfast made for me. If I don't have to cook one day, I enjoy cooking. I love cooking, and that's one reason my husband doesn't really cook much, because if you know me, I would rather cook than sit and watch anybody else do it. It's like my love language. So I don't mind doing the cooking, but it's also nice sometimes to have somebody do it. I just love the whole drama that comes in him, trying to cook, which also reminds me a lot about my dad. He used to, have a whole show when he had to cook. It's just fun sometimes to just watch somebody else cook, even though you might be a kitchen rat like me. So I hope you realize Chef K used two kinds of bread. He used a Texan toast, that is typically the kind of bread I would buy to make French toast. And he also used some brioche, that is like French bread, very similar to sugar bread. And sometimes when I have freshly made bread, or even just let's say if I have sugar bread made at home, I use that for French toast. So him knowing that, and us not having any bread at home, because I made sugar bread over the weekend, but it was all gone by Saturday, he went ahead and got himself some brioche and what I typically use. And I loved the brioche. So going forward, I think I'm going to be using brioche as well in the French toast. Another bread that I really like to use is raisin cinnamon bread from Pepperidge Farm, and it's just as good. And when I use that, I don't have to put cinnamon in my egg wash. But this was so good.
Oh, it exploded. Ow!
Well, what did I tell you? I told you if he has to do it, he has to do it a little bit of some pump, you know. So yes, this had to come sizzling on the table just like that. Yeah. Some chef styles, okay? Yeah. Just let him. But this was good. I really, really enjoyed my breakfast. Tired and all, sleepy and all. It was a good one. Thank you, Chef K. Yeah, he can throw it down with his French toast for sure, guys. I hope you can agree with him. Yeah. Let him know. Let him know how he did. He set the table beautifully. Back in the day when I used to, do small parties, he was always my table setter. He always did such a great job. He would come with me, and whilst I got the food ready, he would set the table for the family or something like that. He's always done great with that. And this breakfast, I really enjoyed it. It was delicious. Thank you. Thank you so much, Kate.
Properly with my fork.
You should know by now that I eat my maple syrup with my French toast and not the other way around. And of course, needing so much sleep, I wasn't going to do anything with caffeine. No tea, no coffee, not even a cup of hot chocolate or Milo. Orange juice was okay.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Mm-hmm.
It's Mother's Day?
Well,
Oh, I have to print a Mother's Day card, Mommy.
thank you, Princess. I love you.
Tuesday's Mother's Day.
Yes. I'm surprised that he didn't.
You know more than I do.
So thanks for watching this, and I hope the chef's recipe is gonna be one that you will have, stored somewhere, and whenever the need comes, especially you guys, to give something special to that special lady in your life, you'll be able to bring this out and replicate it. This is Quantra's Kitchen. We're sharing amazing, delicious, simple, replicable recipes. It's my passion. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, I hope you subscribe. Kindly give this video a thumbs up. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.